So today we're going to be doing some logic for functions for audio filtering. So we did a video before. Now we're going to move on to the audio function.
Hey guys, this is Kush here, and I just wanted to let you know that moving forward, I think if I do any YouTube videos with this kind of tutorial, I'm just going to do a time lapse, and then I'm just going to explain the functions at the end, just so it's a little quicker. And if you want to really look at the references, I will have them in the GitHub down below, the link down below. So that way you guys can check them out and learn from them, or just download them and use them. So thanks.
All right, guys. So this is the final product. We have, let me actually just explain it from the bottom. So we have a remove silence call, which calls cut noisy segments with an input, threshold, and output. This cut noisy segments calls a find noisy intervals. It finds the noisy intervals and keeps them as a vector. Find noisy intervals goes through, grabs the input file, grabs the streams, making sure it's the audio stream, getting the current start and end, and then it pretty much goes and calls, where is it? Is noisy. It checks for the threshold, so we pass the threshold here and the frame of which one we're checking. And then we have different audio frames of S16 versus FLTP. It's just the different byte sizes, I guess, float versus signed 16. Here, all we're doing is we're taking the chunks and we're doing a sum average root mean square of it, and we're checking, we're converting it to dB, and from there we're checking if it's greater than the threshold, and that's pretty much it. Once we know it's noisy, we get the start time and we push it into our noisy interval if it's noisy. So this whole code will be in the GitHub repo. It will be down in the description for anyone interested in looking through it and just using it in general. I should have all of it linked. Thank you guys so much for watching. This will be the final video of the video editor for now, until maybe I come back with a lot more knowledge on Rust development and build a GUI or something for it. But yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. If you haven't already, please like and subscribe. Helps out a lot. Thank you. Bye.